My name is Clay. I'm founder of Rapego.com, and I help people use the Lightning Network, and I want to help you. If you don't have a Lightning wallet, you need one. The Lightning Network is amazing. We're going to talk a little bit about it. But if you haven't ever used Lightning before and you need a Lightning wallet, this is the place to start. So get your cell phone out, get your smartphone out, and let's get rolling and get you on the Lightning Network. Okay, I wanted to start this by just doing something pretty ordinary and normal for me, but actually I found out is not very normal for most people who know about Bitcoin. And that is get a Lightning wallet, or help you get a Lightning wallet. Really, it's amazing what the Lightning Network is, and I'm just always really surprised by how few people actually have a Lightning wallet on their phone, even though it's completely free. And it is empowering, it is cool, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now because you really need to. The Lightning Network is an incredible thing built by thousands and thousands of people who use it themselves. At the time of recording this, there are over 17,000 nodes. These are Lightning Network nodes that individual operators run themselves. I run one. I think you should run one. It allows payments to be routed on what's called a level 2 network through something called a payment channel. And so you can think of a payment channel as a side ledger where two people make an agreement to set aside some money, some Bitcoin in this case, some sats, and allow people to use that connection between the two nodes and to account on the side, and then to only bring those transactions on chain at a later date in a more orderly, kind of in the standard on-chain Bitcoin kind of way, which takes a lot more time. It doesn't settle instantaneously. So by doing this, the community has created a payment network that settles instantly. What most people have for their Bitcoin wallet is not Lightning. I mean, it's really surprising when I talk to people about Lightning. They usually say, oh yeah, I have some Bitcoin, and then I'll ask them and they'll go, oh, well, it's on Coinbase. And that, there's an old saying in the Bitcoin community, not your keys, not your coin. And that coin is essentially locked up in someone else's database. And it's hard to use. You couldn't use it to buy something easily. A lot of times there are restrictions on how fast you can withdraw that coin and how you can use it. So that's exactly what the Lightning Network is there to solve, is the ability to create instantaneous transactions faster than credit cards with your money. So the Lightning Network is something different. Your current Bitcoin wallet is not Lightning, probably. And it uses a notation called Satoshis, which is a fraction of a Bitcoin that makes it easier for us to talk about how much something costs. Instead of talking about decimal places of Bitcoin, we can talk in Satoshis, which is there's 100 million Satoshis in a single Bitcoin. So now something that costs dollars is thousands of Satoshis. It's really easy to talk about and to price things. This is super easy. So just do it. I'm telling you, don't even think about it. Get your phone right now. Start downloading it. You can scan that right off the screen. I'm going to also show, it's very easy to just search for Wallet of Satoshi in Google Play, Wallet of Satoshi. So there are other wallets out there. There's Moon and Breeze. They're all good wallets. But Wallet of Satoshi is the easiest wallet. It does everything that you're going to want to need to do on Lightning, and it always works. So I just recommend people downloading it. So when you download Wallet of Satoshi, essentially what you're doing is you're downloading what's called a custodial wallet. There are other wallets where you actually keep the Bitcoin on your phone, and there are seed phrases, and that's all really cool and good. I'm not showing you how to use one of these. This is about how to get Lightning working very fast. So when you get started, you're going to just use a little bit of Bitcoin to get going. You're not going to use large amounts because you really want to understand how all this stuff works before you really start using it. And you can see when you start here, you basically have no Satoshis in your wallet. Why would you? They're not going to just give you free Satoshis. They won't give you free Satoshis, but I will. If you email me, clay@repego.com, and you followed this video, I will help you get Satoshis into your wallet for free so that you can actually use the Lightning Network. Now, I hope you actually will buy some stuff with it and be part of the circular economy. But it's the hardest thing is getting sats into your wallet. And so to do that, you need to receive. Now, there's a few different ways to receive. If you have Bitcoin in your Coinbase wallet or whatever, you can transfer Satoshis by sending Bitcoin to this address that they show, and you will receive that Bitcoin and you can start spending it. That's a really easy way to get going. You can also receive with a Lightning address. So if someone else has Satoshis, they can send them to you just by scanning this QR code if you share that value, that encoded QR value that says share that starts with LNBC. You can also scan a QR code, right? So if I send you some free sats, you're going to hit scan to get going. So that's how you get sats into your wallet. That's how you start. I went to Repego and created a payment voucher and sent it to myself. But this easily could be, that's the power of Repego, is it empowers these kinds of use cases, being able to send money by email. So, imagine I'm trying to send money to my sister who's in Amsterdam, and I just sent her a voucher by email. And so here's the voucher itself, just sent as an attachment, and I'm going to download it. And now, if I go to Wallet of Satoshi, and I try to receive, I can hit scan, and I'm going to select a downloaded picture. That's this one up in the upper left-hand corner. It's like the picture frame. And now I can see my images, and I can go to, let's see here, downloads that I just downloaded. Here's the voucher. And I'm going to select it, and it automatically knows how to read it and found the QR code and told me how much I was going to receive. I'm going to try to buy something completely as though I was on my phone. I've got thorbuys.com up. Thorbuys is a website, an e-commerce website that only accepts Lightning payments. So it's great. They've got a bunch of really cool stuff. They use the Repego payment gateway for payment. They sell a bunch of cool stuff like cyberpunk wearables. They've got ESP32 and soldering kits and a whole bunch of stuff that nerds like us will like. So we're going to go to Thorbuys on the phone. And the mobile version is just a responsive version of the same site. We're going to go to shop. And we're going to go to Bitcoin Maximalism. this works. Yep. We're going to get the stickers. Let's see if we can... here we go. Bitcoin stickers. Let's take a look at that. 2.5 inch square Bitcoin stickers, 5 multi-cat pack. You get 5 for $1, and they're sent by regular mail. So we're going to buy that. We are going to go to the cart. There's our cart total, $1. We're going to proceed to checkout. I'm going to enter in my personal information. Now we can proceed to Repaygo. Connecting back to the gateway. It's negotiating the invoice, the creation of the invoice. Okay, there we are. And basically, this is a scan to pay. I could easily, if this was on a browser, I could scan it. But I'm actually on my device, so how will I pay for something when I can't scan my own phone? So there's this copy payment request button you can click. And now, when we go back to Wallet of Satoshi, we can actually use what's in the clipboard to actually make the payments. And automatically knew how much was in there because we had copied it to the clipboard, and now we can actually pay. And when we do that, payment was sent, and if we go back to Thorbuys, it knows that we have successfully paid, and it sends us back to Thorbuys. Thank you for your purchase. Here we go, Thorbuys. Order has been received, and thank you for your purchase. Here's all the information on what we just bought, which was some stickers. And that's how you buy, receive, and send and buy things in the real world using Lightning.